Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Are you getting up? Oh, my little mama. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Why are you so cute? Look at the cute pajamas. The elephants. Good morning. I just woke up with little mama. I took a shower and then got her. Gonna go give her a bottle. We're gonna go see the other girl. Yeah. Say good morning. Say good morning. Can you see yourself? Yeah. Say good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Baby besito. Good job. Oh, so nice. Love you. Oh, hug. Enjoy your stickers. Can you say hello? Are you into you? Ah, we just gotta go on a quick road trip and we'll be back home real quick. She's all bundled up. All right, so we're in the car. Baby girl is back there. Can we zoom in or not? Oh, she's so cute. So yeah, just my husband got his paycheck, so I'm just gonna quickly go to the bank and deposit it. So yeah, I don't have makeup on, but we're going out tonight for Valentine's Day, so I'm really, really excited. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get going. That moment that you forget your sunglasses, regretting this decision. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get to the bank, go back home, okay? When you find sunglasses that aren't your favorite, but they were in the car, they save you. So we're just turning into the bank. And we're gonna do the drive-through, which is amazing. I love drive-through tellers because when you have a baby, you just don't want to carry them out. I don't. So, you know what I'm saying? All done! Yay! Just leaving the bank. You can see right there. Baby kind of fell asleep a little bit, but once we get home, she'll wake up, guaranteed. I don't know about you guys, but this girl does not have a routine during the day. It's really weird, but my other daughter, she has a routine. That's what makes them unique, right? Once we get home, I'll put baby girl down. If she sleeps, probably not. And then I will take you on a little chit chat. Get ready with me for later for the Jets game, skills competition. And then just a quick makeup, nothing too crazy. Probably won't put lashes on. Shocking, but you know. And then that's pretty much it, I think. What else? Yeah, I'll just take you guys to my beauty room, filming area, put some makeup on, this mug. And then yeah. Pretty much it. So. Hey guys. I'm kind of whispering, but I'm downstairs in the basement. I'm just curious as to if she will wake up. But this is my beauty room. As you can see, the lights are there, and then that's the background that I usually do, or I film somewhere else depending on my mood. So yeah, we're just basically gonna start getting ready. Brett Kissel, what? So I'm just gonna be talking to you guys a little bit. Here, let me fix this. All right, so we were playing after we got from the bank. She kind of napped for a little bit and then basically didn't, and then fed her again. And I think she's teething really hard, so I feel like that's probably why she is not letting herself sleep a little bit. So, but anyways, I'm just gonna like sit down, do my makeup quickly before we go to the skills competition, which is the Winnipeg Jets skills competition, where the Jets perform their best kind of thing. So yeah, just priming my face quickly. It's actually really nice out today. I was really shocked, but I put my light on. Just gonna take the milk. But yeah, I'm really excited. Like our first Valentine's Day where we include the kiddos, you know, and it's like, it's pretty crazy. I don't know, it's kind of exciting. So yeah, pretty much really excited. Yeah, Valentine's Day, it's definitely a day that Jeff and we don't really, we don't go all out for it. Like, we might go to Boston Pizza for the heart-shaped pizza. But other than that, it's kind of like, I don't know, like, I was never like, oh my God, you have to get me something on Valentine's Day. You have to get me a necklace. You have to give me jewelry. I have to be able to go shopping. No, like, if he got me flowers, that's great. If he got me, honestly, I'd rather buy it myself. That's just how I feel. But I mean, it's more so like, I don't know, like, we're just such homebodies. We'd rather buy stuff for like our house or her place, or like just together. Like, it just doesn't make any sense to spend money. Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't, I don't know. I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense. Ugh, I need like neck surgery. So I'm not going to be going too crazy with my makeup. I might wear lashes. I don't really know, but I don't think so. I don't know. Too lazy. But I'm excited for Freya, my first daughter, to enjoy like a night out with her parents, or especially like a Jets game, like a hockey game. Like, I feel like, you know, she would like love it. I don't know, like, we'll see. It might be a disaster, it might not be a disaster. Who knows? But yeah, I'm really enjoying my time at home. I just personally don't want to go back to work, but I mean, I gotta feed my children. So yeah, you know, kind of not fun. But baby life is good. Married life is great. I'm just enjoying my time, you know, enjoying the time of being at home and not having to be outside, unless I go get my daughter, my other daughter, Freya. But Fallon, she's great. She is a good one. Then I'm gonna take, I've been using Mary Luminizer a lot. I've fallen back in love with it, so I'm gonna use it again. Okay. And then I'm just gonna add some Dolce Pink from Milani. It's a baked blush, just a little bit to make it more pinky. You know what I'm saying? I love a strong cheek. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Give it to me. Do my face, and I'm gonna use the Sweet Peach palette just to be kind of a little bit natural, I guess. Just kind of a soft glam look. But yeah. Ooh, voluptuous hair. It'll probably get straight in a second, but yeah, I straightened it early. I just put it up for now, but I might have to restraighten it. Oh well. But yeah, I'm gonna go quickly finish. That like took barely 5-10 minutes. But I'm just gonna go, oh yeah, lipstick. Should I wear lipstick or lip gloss or a liquid lipstick? Well, I'm not ready yet. I'm gonna eat supper too. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Do you guys love this piercing? Oh, I love it so much. It's so pretty. It didn't even hurt. I was like shocked. It being in there and moving around, that hurts, but the piercing itself does not hurt. So just so you guys know, this one didn't hurt either, but I've had that for years. I just got it redone. So yeah, that's about it. And oh yeah, I'm getting this removed. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I got laser tattoo removal. That hurts. Oh my god. But I'm just getting it removed because I want to get it covered up, or maybe I just don't want anything. I don't know. I hated the writing, never liked it. I felt kind of pressured into getting the tattoo because the guy was like, hey, like, do you like the writing? And I was like, okay, but whatever, my bad. Instead of being like, no, this is on me forever. So whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna wait a little more until I have to go get my other daughter, and then yeah, and then I'm gonna do supper, and then we're gonna be on our way. So I will film when we are going to the venue, because toddler life, you know what I'm saying? Moms out there, toddler life, yeah, terrible twos is a thing. So yeah, and then baby life is good, but still, I don't think it ever gets better unless we're sleeping. I'm just kidding. But anyways, all right, so that's my makeup for today. Hope you liked it. Finally leaving. It's snowing. Crazy. I didn't put lashes on because I didn't want to. Let's go. Yeah. Say hi, Priya. Say hi. Hello. Say hi, just quickly. We're on the way to the jet skills competition. And yeah, I just hate that it's snowing, so let's hope we find parking. Are you excited, Freya? Yeah. Yeah. She's so excited. Papa. Do you want a cup, Freya? Can you give her a cup? Freya? Freya? You want a cup? You want a cup?
It's a cup.
With Winnipeg Jets alumni Tim Howard Chuck, presented by the Peg on February 28th.
Say hi, Freya.
Section 101. Jets rewards. Reward.
Please welcome to the ice for tonight's skills competition, your Winnipeg Jets! Chance to vote for who you think will win the fastest skater and the hardest shot competitions. So what you need to do is go onto your Winnipeg Jets app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to winnipegjетsapp.com/app to download it today. Select the Jets as your favorite team. Go on to that.
So I'm back in my beauty room. the evening was good until it was like 8 or so o'clock, and Freya just wasn't having any more of it. So yeah, everything was good. Freya was good. She ate popcorn. She was watching, and then they lose the attention and then they want to leave. So, but yeah, it was an attempt at parenting. It's just tough, but I didn't get a chance to video the rest because, you know, when they get cranky because they're toddlers and screaming, throwing temper tantrums, it's kind of like, okay, let's go home. So it's hard to film when you're trying to chase after someone, you know, double duty and all that stuff. But other than that, everything was fine. And yeah, I'm just gonna take my makeup off. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This vlog for me was nice to show my family. I did ask Jeff if he wanted to be part of it, and he said yes. So that was really nice. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And then comment below on what you want to see in my next video, and let me know if you like these vlogs. I will definitely do more of them. And as well as don't forget to subscribe. I do new videos every week right now, so yeah, be on the lookout. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Sorry I didn't get the rest of it, but other than that, it's good. See you guys in the next video. Bye.